What do I eat? What a raw foodist for 16 years, a frugivore, has in its fridge. What do I eat? Stay there and I'll show you what's on my fridge and what do I eat. Nice to get to know you. I'm Eduardo Corassa, a raw food nutritionist from Brazil that have been living for 16 years on fruits and vegetables. I reversed my diabetes and a lot of health issues through natural hygiene, what we call the science of health. Like a medical model, but it's like completely based on lifestyle medicine that believes that health is produced by healthy living. That if we live healthy, our bodies, nature provides everything that we need and our bodies can regenerate, repair itself and come back to homeostasis, to perfect health, to a balance of health. So what do I eat primarily? Fruits and vegetables. So I will show you what's on my fridge, what's in my kitchen actually. So we were recording my top 10 favorite fruits right now. So the fruits are somewhat here. So we have sapote out of my garden. We have atemoya. I don't know the name in English, but these are called Indian figs. It's a fig that actually comes out from a cactus that we have here in the beach. This is palm tree, palmito as we call. Jackfruits, jackfruit like already open, right? This is caimito, green caimito and purple caimito. It's a bill, right? This is a different kind of sapote, sapodilla. It's more sweet. Pineapple. I know this is ugly, but this is like so tasty. It's a plantain. My favorite banana. But people actually eat plantains cooked. We eat it raw, but when the skin is black. Let's see now what's inside my fridge. Fruits and vegetables are actually alive. So the fridge, you have to clean pretty constantly because it leaves residues, right? So, and for example, plantains, they can look bad, but they are actually good on the inside. So you don't have to be afraid of fruits and vegetables. I usually used to joke with my mom. This is like really tasty and really sweet plantain. But I used to joke with my mom that she eats like industrialized pig's asses, I mean hand, but she was afraid of like a really ripe banana. So I have here mangoes, lemons, eggplants, fig bananas, different kinds of bananas, oranges, corn, pineapple, and the fridge, sugarcane juice, cassava that I don't use it, but I taught a recipe on the retreat, like passion fruit, persimmons, mulberries, pineapple, bananas, coconut, and this is cupuaçu, right? I just use it for a recipe for a video in Portuguese. And the second fridge, we have celery, leeks, abil, two tofus that this brand gave me. I never ate tofu, I almost never ate it, but sometimes I make like once in a year I make an exception. So this is actually the dressing from yesterday, tomatoes with sesame seeds, tomatoes from my garden actually, pears, a quinoa cracker that I was trying to create, cabbage, oranges, really ripe oranges and organic. You see that they're even not washed and the sun damages the skin. So this is how our orange should look like. Coconut pulp, tomatoes. I just picked this from the garden yesterday, spinach, kale, and a lot of other stuff. So I have chickpeas and also lentils sprouted here. We recorded a video for Brazil YouTube channel. This is jackfruit seeds, but it actually was steamed, so they become somewhat like a nut, similar to cashew nut or Brazil nut. I don't use that. I'm probably throwing it away actually because I don't like to eat cooked food. But you know, it's a way to show people how to use the fruit if they're not raw fooders, right? So I'm using chickpeas and lentils lately, and even quinoa to get a little bit more buffed. Just a little bit at dinner to, you know, to bulk up a little bit because I just did a 39-day water fast like a little bit around 2.5 months ago or something like that. The other stuff here, sugarcane juice that we frozen. We made a lot. We had to harvest the cane, so we just made a lot and frozen it. So I'm freezing it. Jackfruit, abil, green abil, and purple abil, oranges and tangerines, lemons from the garden, a corn that I just ate it. Even really ripe, I think it's ladyfinger bananas that you guys call. They are not spoiled. They were actually just in the fridge. So when you put them on the fridge, they get like this black skin because it's oxidation, but they are actually good on the inside. Check it out. And quite tasty. I love them when they go in the fridge for a couple of weeks. They become tastier, you know. Some people are scared of. Even this. Look, a Caven dish that is on the fridge for like 3 weeks. You went ripe to the fridge, and now it's like perfectly ripe. It tastes like, you know, sugar. Tell me, what do you like the most? If you're still not subscribed to the channel, subscribe and hit the bell button so you can be notified. And don't forget, comment, like, and give it a thumbs up so more people get to know our content and can be benefited by our content. So if you want my help as a raw food nutritionist, I attend patients online and also in person. We have 9 books published. They are all in Portuguese yet, but we just published our first book on Amazon in English, Hygienic Fasting, Nature Surgery. And also we run retreats here in person in Brazil, 5 days in a row, and we have online courses. Don't forget to subscribe and hit these videos to get to know more about raw food nutrition.